Hello dear, I will show you how to operate this Cryo slimming machine. First, switch this button. Press here to start. Okay, we will enter the system. First, Cryo handle. Two handles can work at the same time. Temperature -5. The two handles can work together. This is middle handle. You also can adjust the parameters here. This is the bigger handle. This is big handle. This whole 360 circle is the freezing pad, so it will have better results. You can stop here too. You can adjust it here. Okay. Okay, this is the recurring handles. Now cavitation. Cavitation is this one. Okay, we can adjust the intensity. Three models: model 1, model 2, model 3. This is the irritation handle. Now body RF. This is the body RF handle. This one. Before using this handle, you need to put some gel on your skin and you need to move it all the time. Don't stay it at here for a long time. You need to move it. Okay, intensity you can adjust here. 1 to 20, but we can start from 1 to do testing. 3 models, model 1, 2, 3. Any model is okay. Yes, it's a little warm. You need to move it all the time, okay? Put some gel on your skin before doing treatment. Okay, it's very powerful, so start from 1. Okay, this is the body RF. Now it's the face RF. This is the face RF. It can do the face lifting and skin tightening. It's same intensity you can adjust here. 1 to 20. We start from 1 to do testing. Model 1, 2, 3. Okay. Put some gel on your skin before doing the treatment and move it like this or join circles. Okay, this is the face RF handle. Next is the lip laser. It has 6 big lip laser pads and 2 small lip laser pads. Intensity you can adjust. 1 to 80, and the model from 1 to 3. Now all the pads already light up. Model 2. Model 3. 3 different models. This is reduce the energy. And the energy raise up. Okay, this is how to operate this machine. And sorry, I forgot. It also has a double chin handle. This one is for the double chin slimming. Okay. Okay, thank you.